situated. Second one, which organization declared ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque as World Heritage Site? And third one, which architectures were included in the decoration of ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque? These are very important part from your topics, and you will find some knowledge-based question from these kinds of sentences. So let us check the answer of this question. I am giving you the answer, but it is better to practice more and more in your house. So where is ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque situated? Actually, ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque is situated in Bagherhat district, and the mosque city is Bagherhat. So especially we know the ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque of Bagherhat, not very far from our Khulna. And second on, which organization declared ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque as World Heritage Site? And that is UNESCO. And we have got a postal stamp about ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque and declaration of World Heritage Site. So the organization name is UNESCO, and the full meanings of UNESCO, United Nations Education, Science and Cultural Organization. And my third question was, which architectures are included in the decoration of the ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque? And I am very happy to let you inform that very old and famous architectural patterns are included for ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque. One is Mughal architecture and other is Turkish architecture. So we know the founder of the ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque is Khan Jahan Ali, who was a Turkish general, famous saint, and he was a very special man of the Mughal Emperor Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah. So ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque includes two kinds of architectural pattern. One is Mughal, second one is Turkish architecture. So while going through the passage, you will find the name of some philanthropic or charitable or beneficial or welfare activities done by Khan Jahan Ali, the very founder of ষাটগম্বুজ Mosque. And here I have presented 4 specific snap, but all these activities weren't done by Khan Jahan Ali. So we have to check which one. Khan Jahan Ali administered numerous mosques, tanks, roads, public buildings. So these all 1 and 4 will be the part of activities of Khan Jahan Ali. Here I have presented pyro, but since you are not available in this classroom, so you can practice it in your house. You have to know, you have to be very well informed what kinds of philanthropic or charitable activities Khan Jahan Ali did to beautify or adorn the city of Bagherhat. Next one, I am going to show you similar slide. Again, we have got 4 snaps. This one is a tank, this one is a building, and this one is a garden. This is about a fruit shop. So from the text, we will be able to know that Khan Jahan Ali did lot of tanks for the people. So 5 and 7 would be the correct answer, because he built many public buildings for living, but he didn't make any garden or fruit shop for the people. So Khan Jahan Ali adorned or beautified the city with numerous mosques, tanks, roads and public buildings. You have to be well informed about these 5 things that Khan Jahan Ali did to beautify and adorn his city. So next, in your EFT books you will find a part to practice you have to transfer some information about ষাট Gambuz Mosque was founded by whom. You have to write information from here, this place, and where, number of domes on roof, number of pillars, number of total doors, decoration used as. Used as means for which purpose the mosque has been used till today, especially used in the past during the time of Khan Jahan Ali. So transferring these kinds of information will help you to know the structural pattern of the ষাট Gambuz Mosque, and after solving this question you will be very well informed about the mosque. Let us check the answer. Okay, if you solve the answer, then you will find ষাট Gambuz Mosque was founded by Khan Jahan Ali, and it was founded mid 15th century. Number of domes on roof, the total number of domes is 81, but number of domes on roof, only on roof is 77. Number of pillars is 60. Number of total door is 25. Decoration terracotta and stonework, and used as prayer hall and court. Actually, in the past, ষাট Gambuz Mosque was used for two purposes. First purpose was to use as prayer hall, and second purpose was to court of Khan Jahan Ali. Often Khan Jahan Ali used the mosque to for legal purpose. Now you have to give the answer from your mind.